running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi. I'm just running something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
Yo, what up, YouTube fams? Your boy FLA back at you. And as you see, that's the Daytona International Speedway. I'm back in Daytona one more time. I'm here for this thing called Daytona Autofest. Wasn't really sure if I was gonna come out here, man, but I woke up kind of late and said screw it. It's only about an hour drive. You know, it didn't even take me an hour really, because I'm like further south of St. Augustine, but you know, about an hour 45-minute drive, and I'm out here. I ain't gonna have too much time because I think it either ends at like 2 or 2:30, something like that. But you know, I'm gonna check out what's going on out here. It's my first time coming to this. I don't know what to expect or anything, so you know, I'll bring you a little bit of footage. I seen some cars coming, you know, on the highway, so hopefully it's you know, a good turnout, some nice cars, and you know, the weather's perfect. Yeah, I see it in Daytona. Little Mustang just pulled off on me. Well, I'm out here. You already know, Mr. FLA, man. I be everywhere. Now that I'm back on the road, man, I'm gonna be all over the place. You already know what time it is. We're gonna end 2020 strong. But out here in Daytona, you know, I already see some nice little builds, some nice cars. I'll show you that. They don't want that smoke. I'll show y'all this charger real quick, man. I don't know if it's originally a 5.7 or what, man, but he definitely got it running. I was on the highway with him, but they got off at the exit before me. Ooh. He ain't playing. He got that sleeper. To be honest, I wouldn't have even put them badges on there. I would have just let everybody find out what to do, bro. I seen another car club, I think Central Florida Mopars. I don't see them no more. They must have pulled out. Like I said, this junk started at 10 o'clock, man. It's like 1 o'clock, so pretty sure everybody's close to heading out. Red on them fat boys. Oh yeah, good looking out, man. I'll check you out here in a minute. What is it? Quality Flow? Yeah, man. Lil A. You know, everybody call me Lil A, but FLA him. Yeah, Edwin. All right, bro. Woo! Oh, they got the big truck. And killing me with the copyright. You see the speedway back there? I ain't gonna lie, man, it's a nice little location, man. I wish they would do this like once a month or something, boy. This junk would be popping. At the speedway back there. Uh-oh, got the lightning crew. Got the lightning crew. Man, what? Lightning crew came out deep. It's like the Stinger over here. Well, the Stinger was actually hard. Yeah, man, that man had like carbon fiber all up in the hood, everything. But yeah, that junk clean. What up, what up? Oh, man. See them Brambos on the Stinger, bruh? But he said run it.
What up? Real nigga, what up? If you ain't about that murder game, then pussy nigga, shut up. If you get me in your ass, I get
Caught him, boy.
when you touch that in my home. No, that's all life ain't good. Cause me better in my head. And then he game on.
He said he ready for them waves out here in Daytona. He about to hit the beach right after he pull out of here. And then got the roll cut, everything in that beach. Oh, you good, man? Good, man. Marrow, bro. Like killing it with them guts. Killing it with them guts. You already know, boy. Mine's going in the lab next week, so it's on. Man, buddy moved away from me. He got scared. Like I said, man, got out here late, so who knows like how big it was when it first opened at 10. You know, some nice little cars out here, but it's already definitely dying out. But you know, show y'all a little bit of the home team. You know, the Smooth Riders, check them out on Instagram, all that. You already know. They out of Duval. Actually came out here kind of deep. Said they ain't playing. They said fuck it. It's Saturday, or my bad, it's Sunday. Weather's great. Ain't nothing going on in Duval right now, man. Duval ain't got nothing going on. Oh, we got a little fast laner. Got a little fast lane out here too. Dang. That's what I'm saying, man. Gotta get out the house, man. Get out their comfort zone, man. Duval ain't everything. Like, yeah, Duval cool and all, man. But you already know I'm Mr. FLA. I be all over the place, man. And stay tuned, man. A lot of stuff coming. Like I said, the car gonna be in the lab this week. You know, first round of stuff getting done. And you know, we gonna keep it moving, keep it pushing, and try to end 2020 all strong, man. You already know. Yeah, you already know I'm a Chevy boy at heart, bruh. So Bubble Chevy came out heavy out here. Yeah. Miss my box, boy. Ain't nothing like a box Chevy, I'll tell you that right now. Got it sitting right. Got it sitting right. Little flaky flakes. Mine, man. I had mine gold with gold flakes, boy. I'm telling you, if I would have had a YouTube channel when I had my box, it would have been a wrap, man. I've been doing this, man. A lot of these cats, they just got a Charger. They just got their first cars. You know what I'm saying? They over here stunt with their first cars, man. I've had a Bosch Chevy when I was 17 years old. I've been doing this, been throwing rims on cars, been doing stuff. If I would have started a channel 10 years ago, y'all would already know my name. But I'll get there. You already know. FLA Hemi, I'm out here. Yeah. Can't say I ain't got my baby wet though. Can't say I ain't got my baby wet. You already know it. That subscribe, like, comment.